Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. The question is area of a parallelogram is y centimeter square and its height is h centimeter. The base of another parallelogram is x centimeter more than the base of the first parallelogram and its area is twice the area of the first. So base of the area of the second parallelogram is given in the terms of base of the first parallelogram. That is, we will write here the information given. Base of second parallelogram is equal to x more than the base of the first. So the base of first plus x. Okay. And the area of second parallelogram and its area is twice the area of the first. Okay. Now find in terms of y, h and x the expression for the height of the second parallelogram. So what is given now? These are the things given, and even area of first parallelogram is given. What is the area of the first parallelogram? Y centimeter square. And the height of first parallelogram is h. So we need to find the base of the first parallelogram because I want to find the base of the second parallelogram also. So we know area of a parallelogram is h into b. That is height into base. This is height. So area is y. Height we know, that is h given, and base. We have to find base of first parallelogram. So what will be the base of first parallelogram? Y upon h. Fine. Now what is the area? Area is y. Fine. So now what we will do? We will find the base of the second parallelogram. Base of second parallelogram. That is first base, that is y upon h plus x. Fine. And area of second parallelogram, area of second parallelogram is 2 times a1, which we have found out from the question. And 2 into a1 is y, 2y. Now we know again area is base into height. So at height be the second parallelogram का height. So area की जगह पे we will write 2y and base की जगह पे we will write y by h plus x. This multiplied by height. We need to find the height of the second parallelogram. Fine. So now instead of area we wrote 2y and instead of base we wrote y by h plus x. We have to find height. So we will leave height on this side and get this on the other side. Now this is multiplied with height. So here it will go on the division form, means it will go in the denominator form. We know this thing. Fine now. So now what we will do? We will solve this expression, this side expression. So this will 2y will be 2y. We will solve the denominator. Fine. That means we have to remove the h from the denominator of the denominator. ये h को remove करना है. इस h को remove करने के लिए हम न्यूमरेटर को भी h से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और पूरे वाले डिनोमिनेटर ऑल्सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय h. फाइन. So now what it will become? This is equal to height. We will multiply the numerator also with h and the denominator also with h because we want to eliminate this h. So this will become 2yh the numerator, and this is h into y by h plus h into x. This h and this h got cancelled. So this will become 2yh upon y plus hx. So this is the height of the second parallelogram. Fine. So for how you solve, how to eliminate the denominator. If you want to eliminate the denominator में कोई चीज है, then we multiply it with the whatever is at the denominator, right? And if we are doing that to one part of the equation, I will have to do it to the other part also. Or if I am doing to one numerator, I have to do it to denominator also. If I am doing it the denominator, I have to do it with the numerator also. So this is the height of the second parallelogram.